Welcome. Oh my God, when I miss days, it's just heartbreaking. Just heartbreaking. It's very hard for me not to be here. I don't want to say people don't understand, but if I'm not here and I get too much information and I don't put it out, it bothers me inside. Okay, this is what made me well, is to exalt myself. Connecting the three. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is an association with Rubik's Cube. Understanding that the calculator, one cube size equals to 3 areas. The right side, the left side, and the center of the cube. This whole cube, one of these cubes equals to 9. We have to understand that the corner of the cube has an area here and an area here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this cube and this cube will have 6. This one will have 3. It'll be 6, 3, 6. 6, 3, 6. 6 and 3 is 9, and 6 equals to 15 equals to the egg. Now let's show you. There's 3 cubes. 3, 6, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The total of 15, A and E together. I have and I am. This is the same thing, showing you the lock. I, and I. The red cross is in between everything. The last one I made it that there is no in between. 1, 2, 3. 1. The reason I did it this way is the question is the area space, the void space, the black area over here. Does it count for an area space over here? If not, we create it this way. If it is, it creates your H. Your H. This is number 8. It's a link. 8 becomes a link. Let's leave this one alone. A relink. Next thing I want to talk about is H2O. H2O is hot. HTO. 0, 8, 20, and 15. 43, the DC power, is hot. 43 plus 6 equals 49. 7 times 7, the flow of the 7th gate. 0, 8 equals 60. 109 becomes 169. 13 times 13, 169. Dog equals to 26. Card equals to 26. This is a transmission. 26 plus the hot, 43 equals to 69 rotation. 41 makes 10, 10, 6 and 4, and 1 and 9. 69 plus 6 for the letter T, 43 becomes 49, plus 26 equals 75, GE electric. 75 plus 60 for the 08, 60 for the 04, and 60 for the 07. Equals 255, and I will in a further video explain what this is. DO for dog, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. Do sounds for the A letter, artificial intelligence. Do 19 is also the 19th letter is S, which represents X at the same time. Center C is X. Jehovah, the A family. A on the piano, 1st, 8th, 15th, and 22nd. J is in the 8th family. The 10th letter, 1 plus 0. It says Jehovah. This is the Monopoly board. Have you seen the swords in the deck of cards? Do you see the K in each corner? We don't need the corner. Take away the corner. You have 9 here, 9 here, 9 here, 9 here, 36. But it's too high. Becomes 72. The corners equal 4 squares. 4, 8, 12, 16. 72 and 16 makes 88 on the outside, 81 on the inside. Venus is on the inside. Raphael, in just a short pickup of what's on the top of my mind, 7286. You see the 1, 2, 3. You see the stealth shooter, the plane inside of here. I think they call it the stealth. Here's your L angle. Here's your home plate in baseball. Why did I do it this way? Because I have to go from side to side creating the R letter. In order to get out from one area where the lines are no lines in between, I must go this way and then this way. No lines in between in order to get out. And then if you can actually see what they do, they make one big R. An R here and an R here back to back. What does it mean? I don't know. What else is there? An R tilted over to the side, an R tilted over to the side. Both ways, two bulls coming into each other, R and R, create the same stealth fighter and leaves you with an M in between. The M in between, once you put a hat on it, becomes the Magen David. But that's, you know what, anybody can make up that stuff. Right now I'm just very, very much behind. 10 pins in bowling, using X's for strikes. Can we remember this? Then in baseball, a bat does not miss a strike, and a ball always misses the bat. When you get 4 balls, you get first base. When you get 3 strikes, you get out. O-U-T. Where are you? It means creation. 2-0. Into the dugout. This is your bowling pins. See the first exo game here? See another exo game here? Another exo game here? You create 1, 2, 3 games. This game over here, this one over here, it meets this one here, this one here, and this one here. This area over here will join this one, and this one, creating what we say is the club. 3 things, and then right here. You follow? I put a number here, 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 a number here. These are the closed in. This is the one that connects these 2 sides and this one. Same thing over here. These will now come together and create from your 10-pin bowling. These will now all come together, giving you your 20 pins. I left it open. In my next video, I'll close it. A dozen eggs, a half a dozen eggs. The total is 18. 1.5 dozen. That's just a Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. I'm just not happy. I take a nickel, and I put a dime in between. You see this area of space? This area of space actually is the H and the I. See the torus that comes in between here? A penny, a dime, and a penny, a nickel, a nickel, a nickel, a nickel. 20, 30, 31, 32. That is your doorway. That is your copper. Spacers, copper spacers. No energy touches, copper spacers. 10, 10, 10. We need 30 cents and nickels, 6 nickels. We need 2 dimes, 2 and 6, Venus, Saturn, and we need 4 pennies. We need these pennies in order to create this world in between. I know it sounds silly, but that's what you need. Today I saw a pregnant woman, and this is what she looks like from the side. 1 big belly and 1 breast, and this is 1 big belly and the other breast from the side, When you look at her from the front, she's this with 2 breasts, so I turned it sideways. I connected the 2 breasts together, and I get number 10 from the child and the 2 breasts together. Now, what does it say? I don't know. I'm not that happy with this video. What else is in the top of this? When we connect these 2 together, the actuality is, no, we're not going to go any further. Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. Is the world thin? Well, I can't do that either. Oh, there you go for a hell of a video, eh? See this design? 4 corners, the complete outside, and then we play inside on the left and the right, and the incoming is from the sky as we stand on the ground. Stand on the ground, we look in the sky, and we go east-west. Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. I gotta go to sleep. Thank you for watching.